teruggeschacht. 37. We get yet another prepositional pronoun. Our good old buddies, the prepositional pronouns. This one is from the preposition o, which means from or out of. And the forms are wim, wit, ui, uhe, uing, uiv, uha. And then they give you some other ones. Hig, which is towards, becomes huum. Now I pronounce that G in the middle as if it's GH. Hugum is fine, but I'm going to pronounce them as if it's a GH. Huum, huit, higge, only on those ones with the broad G. Hicke, huing, huiv, hucka. So where it's a C or a slender, you leave it alone. If you want to change it to a GH sound, that's only on the ones between broad vowels. So that's another one to study. Then you get riv, before, okay? So those become roam, roet. Now you could say rawam or rawet, but that's not how most people say it. Roam, roet, rive, rimpe, rowing, roev, rumpa. Very similar, all the similar endings. Got to study these. You got to practice, practice, practice. Use flashcards if you have to. Put them up on your wall if you can, and just keep reviewing them. You're going to use them a lot. Now there's one more. They give you 4 in this lesson. Fui, F-A-O-I, F-A-O-I, becomes fuim, foot, fui, fuhe, fuing, fuiv, fuha. So you have to practice those, and you have to memorize them. Now they give you some examples of how to use these. Again, prepositional pronouns or prepositions themselves go with certain verbs. They go with certain sentences. These are just context you have to learn. So cod ta which. What do you want? What is from you? What is lacking? What do you need? Ta arigidwim. I need or want money. Egtastoilwim is I need, really, even more so than I want. Skriv she litter huum. He wrote a letter to me, towards me. Vishe ansha roam. He was here before me. Falcha roet, you know already. There's a welcome before you. Vishe agmaga fum. He was making fun of me. So fui with making fun, maga. So practice, memorize, practice.